Last week, Alibaba reported earning, and it got quite a positive response. Looking at the weekly chart here, it's a nice strong week close up, and it is between this support level here, 147.88, and the 195.72 potential resistance level. And looking at the daily chart here, I still have this range here. That's basically is what the market was pricing in for earning. As you can see on Thursday, after the earning came out before the market opened, and you can see that the profit taking came in and faded. So, but on Friday, it resumed its upward move, and right now it's getting close to this 179.88 potential resistance area. If it could chop around a little bit and move up, then we could see this little gap right here at the 190 area could be possibly get filled. So right now also if it pull back, there is a high volume node here, so we could see a little bit of a pullback and get a bounce after that high volume node. Otherwise, if it doesn't get a bounce, then we'll probably see it come down to this low volume zone here and try to maybe fill it in a little bit and then come back up. So that's basically on a daily chart here, and then looking on the 60-minute chart, you can see is looking at this right here, it is a nice uptrend with the higher high, higher low, right? And although this right here kind of pulled back a little bit, so we got caught a little bit of a complex pullback on the intraday, but you can see that the low is still pretty much slightly above this low here. So the higher high, higher low is pretty much still intact. And then here we got this. This is the day of the earning, and it came down. And so right now we're basically watching this candle here because at the last 30 minutes seems to have this shooting star doji candle here, and that could be a little bit bearish. We might see a little bit of a continuation on the downside. So that's why I'll be watching at this zone here, this 171.44 in the coming days, and let's see would we get a bounce here, or it could be just chopping around here a little bit and then move up to this 179.88 zone. Got a request to do a little bit of a technical analysis on Tencent, and you can see on the weekly chart, it is sort of consolidating between this 40.88 and 47.75. You see how much time that has been, hovering around this band here, this trading zone. This is a weekly chart, so seems to be consolidating here right now. Basically, looking for either its continuation of the consolidation or a breakdown below this 40.88 on a weekly basis. And if we turn to the daily chart, you can see on the daily chart there is a little bit of a low volume zone here. So if we get a continuation of rejection, here's a composite point of control, then we might see a little bit of chop here. This basically is a little bit of a high volume area, and if we get chop and move back up to 44.76, then essentially get this gap fill, then we might be able to see it work back up to this 47.75. But if it cannot hold this point of control and get rejected pushing back down, then we'll probably see this thing work itself maybe back down to this low volume area somewhere around 37.35. So definitely 10 cents a little bit questionable right now in terms of direction. It is sort of hovering at a consolidation area, like the weekly chart has shown. And you can see that essentially it was trending over here then when earning came out, I guess, and this kind of got a little bit of a sell-off, and right now it seems like it's trying to recover. So again, this low volume zone, if we could get up and chop around on this high volume zone and push it up and get chopped around into this 44.76, then there might be a possibility of this thing essentially did a consolidation down here and kind of breaking out back up toward these retesting these naked point of control. All right, so that's basically it for a couple of the Chinese internet stock. If you like the content in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe and the notification icon so you won't miss any of my future video. Thank you for watching and good luck on your tradings.